Good morning, Boise foot trekking. Today we're gonna go check out some more of them baby ducks, but I thought this here's a good place to start my video. Catch up with you in a minute. Hey, we are back, and here is my duck friends. Sun is breaking over. It's already past the mountains. Now it's trying to break over the trees. Speaking of trees, good morning, Daffy. Gotta get some of this foliage here. I think all the action's up here, but we're gonna see if there's anybody hiding in here, and there is. Could be some family matters going on right here. God, look at these beautiful animals. I'm just now getting here as they're waking up. Today on their own, waking up. Not rude me waking them up. Let's see if we can get a good shot this way. Yeah, see, today they woke up on their own. Look like a nice little place to go night-night if you're a duck. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, I'm here. Oh, there's that white one over there. See in the bushes right over there? See if I can... There he is, or she is. I still don't quite know. Wow. We got ourselves a white duck. Markings are similar, but the colors are just shady tan and off-white. But the markings are correct for this particular kind of duck. Yeah, I better keep moving on here. See, these guys here aren't awake. They're waiting for the donut tray to arrive. They're so cute. Ooh, I hear baby ducks. Mm. Here's a mommy. I bet you that's ready to... Oh, look at... You see them right down there? Yeah, lots of activity here. Here we go. We're getting moving now. Oh, see, they're still stretching. Tell you what. Soon as that sun breaks those trees, it is going to be real sunny right here. But by then we'll be a little further. Whoa, look at... See if I can get these guys without bothering them too bad. Good morning, ducks. Gee. Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Duck. See if I can get them in the clearing a little better. Here is our beautiful tree with duck action. Okay. Duck action going on. Those look all young, early teen females. And who do we have over here? Ooh, they're digging that sun. Looks like they all climbed out of the water to get a little bit of sun. See if I can keep this going right here. Beautiful birds. Oh, this is a bunch of males, couple of females, but a couple of these males are look like they're on a little bit of an older side. That must be Grandma and Grandpa, and that's the teens out there swimming around. Let's see what else we can find. Isn't that cool? Well, look at all this beautiful grass. The energy inside of this grass is just waiting for that sun to break that tree level. Look at this grass is, I don't know, excited, I guess is the word. You can see it's kind of leaning that way. Sometimes it's leaning side to side. Right now, this time of day, it is exactly leaning towards the sun. Every piece, just a hair. Nature's design. Okay. I'm gonna catch up on the other side of the road. Okay, we are on the other side of the road. And what a beautiful piece of the other side of the road. Oh my God, that is picture perfect with that sun coming through there. Beautiful. Now that looks like something in Hawaii. If I told you that was our cabin where we are renting in Hawaii, it would look like that. Amazing. Boise, Idaho is an amazing place. Uh-oh. And here comes some ducks, but let's get some water action. Yeah, I think we got a bunch of little ducks sleeping right here. Oh, they're not even awake yet. I'll try to get over here. I don't want to wake them up if they're not ready to get up yet. But I will stop and take a nice shot Nope, go back to night-night. See you tomorrow. Gee. Very calming. Not much traffic. Can you hear the water running? And our weed is dying a little every day. Okay, and I'll catch up with you on the other side of the creek. Okay, we are back. The water is running hard and fast today. So I don't think we're going to see a lot of duck activity right here like normal, because look how fast the water's running. Very fast. But I think they'll be hiding up here around the corner. But we're going to get some of this beautiful water. Meanwhile, oh, here's some right here. Whoa, look how big they got. Oh, they think I'm going to feed them. I got to start bringing grain. Good morning, my friends. Look how alert and spunky and healthy you are. That is our future duck population. What beautiful animals. Okay. And here comes Mom, and she wants to know what the heck is going on here. I thought I said stay on that side of the creek. But she's going to manage them right where they are. Beautiful animals. Thank you. Okay. Go get some of this. Might be too bright for the sun right there, but boy, that is beautiful from where I see it. Nice flow, strong flow. Well, gonna be about 100 degrees today, so I'm sure all that high mountain snow is melting now. The little waterfalls right there, not being affected at all. Water is, I would say, 3 feet higher than the waterfalls. So no effect today. Okay, let's look on this side. See what we have. Strong flow today. Gonna need it. A lot of people will be watering their lawns today. Well, when I started YouTube, they said do 20 videos before you start adjusting anything, so you can figure out your equipment and how to do things. Well, I think this is my 20th video. If it's not, it's because I have a couple of others that are less than a minute long. But as far as good videos, this one here is my 20th one. And we're going with that. So now, not today. Oh, look at that. Look at the waterfalls here. Not effective at all. I would say the water level is 3 feet above the waterfalls and rushing hard. That's what I would call that. But that is a beautiful sight on a hot day. Let's look at this side. And there's the ducks way over there. They're still asleep. That's okay. And they're just waking up. So I'll catch up with you at the other way. All the action is way down at the other end. Well, beautiful shot. Gonna be a nice warm day. Okay, thank you for watching Boise Foot Trucking. Thanks a lot.